Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. Now from here go to software information. Now here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer options you have to tap 7 times on build number. Now just do it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then type your current pin or pattern, then tap on continue and it's done. Now just go back and here at the bottom you can see developer mode has been enabled successfully in my phone. Now close your settings app. Now if you want to disable developer options, go to your settings app again and then scroll all the way down, then go to developer options. Now by tapping here you can disable developer options and then go back and it's done. Now the developer mode has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.